Washing copper vessels, gold or silver vessel is very difficult. When it is in open oxygen, in the long go it turns black due to oxidation. So what happens is, well, it is not harmful. However, lot of deposits on the copper vessel is not good for health as well. So water stored in the copper vessel or silver platter or food consumed from the gold platter, all these things in ancient India is considered to increase lifespan and keep them free from diseases and healthy. However, the copper vessels has to be washed frequently. Now we have Vim liquid, lot of dishwashers, but those are not sufficient for washing copper or silver utensils. Now today we'll see about the copper alone. The copper turns black frequently. Less than 2 days or 1 day. So to wash this copper vessel, we have taken few ingredients here. Now I have taken imli, which is tamarind. I have taken lemon, half of the lemon, and 1 teaspoon of rock salt. Now it depends on the utensil. I have taken these ingredients, just it will be visible for the video. However, you can even take half of this. But if there is lot of copper vessels, according to that we have to increase the ingredients. This is a bucket of hot water. It's a rough temperature. Make sure it is hot. In this, let us mix all the ingredients. First I'm adding the rock salt. Then I am squeezing half a peel of lemon. Okay. You can even put this lemon inside, it doesn't matter. And I am also going to soak this tamarind, fresh tamarind, inside. All 1 teaspoon. So we are going to leave this with the copper vessel we are going to wash inside the hot water for 1 hour. Now we have soaked this for 1 hour. Like washing the vessel, we should wash this with tamarind. So we have soaked the tamarind here. So let us wash this or wipe this with tamarind. Now you can see we have tamarind here. Just wipe this entire vessel with tamarind. Then finally guys, wiping this entire vessel with half a new piece of lemon. Look at this, shiny and shiny. The copper vessel is clean and shiny. This is a natural way of washing copper vessels and it has no chemicals. More than this, if you want to wash it with any liquid or powder which is available in the market, like the regular dishwasher liquid, you can do that as well. But I don't think that's going to remove the stains like this process does. In those days, ancient India, they used the copper vessel to store the food items. But long time deposit of those food items or water, you can see the middle layer. Even any stains such strong stains cannot be removed by any sort of chemicals. Be it any process of washing, it will not remove such stains that has happened for long time. However, this is clean to consume, so no need to worry. Well, washing silver and gold is a different process that we'll see maybe in the upcoming videos. Thank you guys.